Hi, my name is Alicia Witt and today I'm guest vlogging for the Vegan Woman. Today we're gonna make a vegan omelette with some secret ingredient, and that will be lentil flour. Today we're gonna use red lentil flour, and in addition we're gonna use some vegetables, mushrooms and onion. And of course, if you want to switch some of the ingredients, if you want to use different vegetables, you can do that. And we're going to use some parsley as well, olive oil, and that's all we need to have a perfect vegan omelette. So let's start, and we're going to start by frying some onions and mushrooms. I don't want to put everything all together in the bowl. I want to first fry those. Okay, so we start by heating up some olive oil. And this is the hardest moment in the kitchen. You have to wait till it's hot, actually hot. Okay, now we start with the onions. This is the sound we want to hear. So let's give them a few minutes just to soften up, and it doesn't have to be brown or something like that, but just take out all their flavors. And then we can add some mushrooms. And again, we want them to have some beautiful colors and to soften a little. And we like to do that before we add them to the flour mixture that we're gonna make in a moment. As I said before, you can use any kind of vegetables that you like. You can switch the mushrooms for carrots. You can put some spinach in, or even kale if you like. Just whatever vegetables you have at home, or whatever vegetables you like. Okay, so our onions and mushrooms are ready, and we're gonna add them to the lentil flour mixture. Let's do it. And to the mixture, we're gonna put some lentil flour. This is homemade lentil flour, but you can buy it in any store. I'm putting just like 3 or 4 spoons of flour. Okay, and now I'm gonna add some water, approximately 1/4 cup of water, and then after I mix it, I just see if I have the right texture, which is a little similar to a pancake texture, or maybe a bit thinner. So here I feel that I need to add some more, because there could be some differences between flours. So you just have to see that it's, yeah, it should be a little light. Okay. Now we add the onion and mushrooms that we fried before, remember that? Some chopped parsley. You can use, of course, any other kind of fresh herbs that you like. Salt and pepper. And we mix it all together. Now, as you can see, it became a little thicker than before after we added all the other ingredients. So don't be shy, just add a little more water. That's just fine. fry our omelet. One thing you have to know before you fry your omelet is to use a very good non-stick pan to make it a real success. Some more olive oil. Now it's really important that the oil will be hot. Don't be shy, just wait enough time, because we want the omelet to get a little bit crispy. We need the pan to be hot. Okay, so I was patient and the oil now is hot, and we can put our omelet mixture inside the pan. Yeah, we want to hear that frying sound. That means the oil is hot enough. Just flatten it a little. And I will let it fry for like 2 or 3 minutes until the bottom side is ready and crispy and a little brownish, and then we can flip it over. Now you can do this omelet much thinner, then it will be easier to flip it over. But today, because it's a little bit thick, because we add the mushrooms and everything, I'm using the plate trick. I'm gonna use a large plate, just put it over the pan, and then in one move I will flip it like that. And I have my omelet right here. The color is beautiful. And then I'm gonna put it back on the other side. Just like that. Now just before I take it out, I make sure that it didn't stick to the pan. It's very important. I also suggest you do this before you flip it, so the omelet won't break. And when the bottom side is ready, just move it to the plate. That's it. I'm so sorry you can't smell it, because it smells delicious. So this is our vegan lentil omelet. If you want to see the full recipe step by step, please enter the Vegan Woman website. You have the link just here below. You can also subscribe to the Vegan Woman channel to watch more videos. And if you'd like to see more of my recipes, please enter vegansontop.com.